Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching from. Welcome to Ugandan Kitchen in another video. If it is your first time on the channel, kindly help me grow by subscribing, like the video and leave a comment below. We are making this vegan and dairy-free lemon muffins. They are so easy to make. We are going to make them using self-raising flour. So we start by making our homemade self-raising flour by mixing flour, baking powder and salt. You mix all that up and you put it aside. Then in a separate bowl, you measure 1 3/4 cup of self-raising flour. We are going to add in granulated sugar, water and vegetable oil. So for the flavor, I decided to make them lemon muffins, but you can make them vanilla muffins. They can be orange muffins, they can be chocolate muffins, depending on what you really want. And here I added in a little bit of lemon zest, just from 1 lemon, like you can see there in the video. And then we are going to mix all that up until everything is incorporated well before we add in the liquid or the wet ingredients. Here we add in our 3/4 cup of water, and then we add in a little bit of lemon juice just to enhance that lemon flavor, and we are good to go. So make sure that you're already preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and then we lastly add in our vegetable oil. We'll make sure that you're using the kind of oil that has no smell, such that it does not affect how your cake smells and tastes. Mix all that up until you have no lumps in there and you are good to go. So you line in your cupcake liners and then you start scooping, like 2 tablespoons are enough, such that you leave room for the muffins to rise while they are baking, and you are ready to bake your cakes in an already preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they have risen well and they are brown just a little bit on top, or until when you are inserting a toothpick and it comes out clean, like you can see there. Within no time they are ready. So let them cool before you decorate them. And I use buttercream frosting by mixing butter, cornstarch and icing sugar, all that up, and then I added a pinch of green food color, just bring about that lemon color. However, feel free to use any other food color of your choice, or you can go without adding in any food color. So once you are done with your frosting, add it in a piping bag with a nozzle of your choice, and you are ready to decorate your cupcakes. At this rate, the cupcakes have already cooled and they are ready to be decorated. So this was my first time decorating cupcakes. I really loved the experience. It was really around Eid time and the kids loved this a lot. It was a nice activity that we enjoyed doing with them together. So I really think this can as well be something good for you to do with your kids, especially either on Eid or like on those days when, you know, families gather together and you are having a good time. You can just make these cakes and the frosting, and people just decorate for themselves their cupcakes. So I hope you like the video. Kindly help me grow by subscribing to Ugandan Kitchen, like the video and leave a comment below. Share with me in the comment section, it being my first time decorating cupcakes. What do you think? How did I do with decorating cupcakes? What are some of those tips on how to decorate a very nice cake? Let me know where you are watching from and how you celebrate Eid in your country. So subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. These lemon dairy-free vegan cupcakes. Until next time, thanks for watching.